Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's lecture, we are going to explore the word business communication, meaning of business communication, advantages and disadvantages of business communication. We are also going to look at how good business communicators are valuable asset to any organization. But before that, I would like to say you thank you for showering so much love in my video number 1. In case if you have not seen my video number 1, then the link will be given in the description box below. Okay, now let us move ahead and play this game. On the screen, you can see 3 pictures. You need to tell me, you can see 3 classified job advertisements. You need to tell me what is common in these 3 pictures, and then after 50 seconds I will let you know the correct answer. But do try your level best to give me the correct answer. Yes guys, good, very good. Okay, I'm so happy to see that you people were able to give me the correct answer. Yes guys, in all the 3 job advertisement, it says that candidates with good communication skills will be preferred. Now you might ask me why they will prefer. Then let me tell you, my dear friends, good communicators will bring good business to the organization. They will bring profit to the business. They will not only sell the product of the organization, but they will try their level best to retain the customers. They are the people who have mastered the skill of LSRW. Now you might wonder and tell me, ma'am, what is this LSRW? In that case, I would like to tell you, my dear friends, that L stands for listening, S stands for speaking, R stands for reading, and W stands for writing. So yes, good communicators are the people who have mastered this 4 skills. They are not only valued by employers, but indeed by the whole organization. So yes, good communicators, good business communicators are a valuable asset to company. Now let us move forward and understand the meaning of business communication. The word business communication is any communication which is carried out by you in a course of doing a business in a capacity of a business head, or as a person who is someone handling the business. So this is what is business communication. Now let us move ahead and understand the advantages and disadvantages of business communication. Yes, my dear friends, in your graduation examination, this question has weightage of around 15 to 20 mark. Okay, and you need to at least remember 4 advantages and 4 disadvantages of business communication. Now let us move ahead and talk about the 4 advantages of business communication. Number first advantage of business communication is that if you carry out a business communication via email or by a web survey, you will understand what your customer needs and you will able to streamline your products accordingly. Number second thing, it will increase the bonding between employees and management. In case if any action or policy decision is taken, then in that case the organization should see into this thing. They explain that why this decision was taken, rather than enforcing the rules on the employees, which will be not appreciated by employees. Number third advantage of business communication is that business communication will enhance the relationship with different stakeholders. Business communication takes place between suppliers, between different government offices and business partners. Number 4th advantage of business communication is that business communication will help to resolve and prevent conflict within the employees in the organization, or in case if there is any misunderstanding with business associates, a good business communication will help to prevent misunderstandings between the business associates as well. Just like it is rightly said that every coin has two sides, in the similar way, business communication has advantages and disadvantages. After looking at the advantages, it is time to explore the disadvantages of business communication. Number first disadvantage of business communication is that using too often media might irritate your customers rather than motivating them to purchase any product. This is the number first thing. Now talking about the second disadvantage of business communication is that most of the time the superiors want to connect to their employees via online. Over here somewhere that personal touch is missing. Number third disadvantage of business communication is that when there is overflow of communication in organization, an employee might not understand that which information is essential and which is not essential. The number fourth disadvantage of business communication is that when there is too many work related emails, it might confuse employee that which email should he answer and which should he not answer. So yes, after looking at the disadvantages, if you liked my lecture, do give it a big fan thumbs up and please do consider subscribing to my channel.